Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So let's do a loser unboxing. And this one I found in Costco. I wanted to buy, yesterday I did a video of loser unboxing Muji skincare. So I like to use Muji cleansing oil, the sensitive skin. And I got one comment. One friend said she likes it also. It's very smooth. And for some reason, Muji is, I cannot find it. And the other day, I passed Costco and found they have this. So I feel it is worth a trying. It's worthy for a try. Gosh, you need very strong hand to do that. It's very well protected package. And I saw this is a little bit scratched. I'm not happy, but it's okay because it's inside. Oh my goodness, so shiny and so good. The protection is good, but kind of too much of plastic, right? Because what do we do with it? Anyway, it's beyond my ability to control. And so this is in, and okay, here it is. I like Muji because there are quite some cleansing oil in the market now. Not only Muji, some Western brand, not only Japanese, I think some Western brand also have this cleansing oil. Cleansing oil, I started by watching video. I think one of the YouTuber using cleansing oil. That time there was a particular problem, a particular reason I start to buy it. It's because I use soap or use shampoo or face wash to wash my face to clean up my eyes area, and the eyes is always get irritated. So I want to have something easily clean and without irritating the eye. So I choose Muji, and for the Muji I have chosen the sensitive one and a cleansing oil and sensitive cleansing oil. Maybe I should show you that. So this is the one I use. This is a sensitive skin oil cleansing 敏感肌用. So 敏感 is sensitive feel, and in Chinese and French, it's Chinese and Japanese. There are a lot of characters I can kind of guessing it. So this is for sensitive skin, and relatively it's thicker and it's less runny. And there is another one, just a normal cleansing oil. It's more runny, and that one still irritates the eyes. This one so far is the best, and I have tried different. This one is the best, Muji sensitive cleansing oil. And I went to Costco and look at it. It looks very much like it because it's less runny. You can see it. It's not so runny. The viscosity is relatively high, and this is exactly what I want. So maybe we can give it a try. right? We first smell it a little bit, and there is a treble side. Oh, look at it. It looks so much like olive oil, and it smells olive oil very much. Oh my gosh, I can just buy olive oil. It's so much like olive oil. Anyway, it's fun to have something new. I bought it, so this is a loser unboxing, which means unsponsored. If I say loser unboxing, you will think about, it means unsponsored. If I say unsponsored, you will think it's a loser. So let me speak out at first. It looks pretty good. Okay, I will go to clean, use this one, okay? Okay, so I just woke up and not yet taking my shower, so let's give it a try. So there is still some of the black makeup in the eye. We will see how it works. Oh gosh, this is quite thick, condensed. Oh wow, it's very, very olive oily. Gosh, it's like eating salad, eating that Italian olive oil plus vinegar dipping, but you do not like the vinegar and you put a lot of olive oil in the dipping. Dipping your bread in the olive oil, that smell, exactly. So olive oil. Maybe this is only olive oil, or maybe they intentionally make it olive oil scent. I am going to take a shower after this. Take this opportunity to do a massage. And it dissolves, I feel it dissolves the makeup on the eyebrows. Yes, it dissolves. Okay. Yeah, it is quite not irritating. Not irritating. So I will take a shower. I feel quite smooth. But it does not change the skin color. It does not change the freckles. Not so many. Not so much. See, it does cleanse up. Okay, shower time. Okay, I had my shower and I think it's quite, it feels quite soft and smooth, but still it's not yet to the degree that you do not need any cream. Still you need a layer of cream. So this one, I use this cream. So I use this this Miami MD aging cream, and why it is so dark, and then let it dry a little bit, a couple of minutes, not even a minute, and then start to do my normal, my routine makeup styles. Dark color, foundation. So yesterday we were talking about getting up on the wrong side of the bed or woke up to the right side of the bed. No matter where we woke up to, it was yesterday, it was last night, it was the past. Do not linger around with the past. Keep on, move on, do a makeup, get yourself ready to start today, because you cannot change yesterday. And it's always easy to say, and I can say this, but still I can woke up to the wrong side again. And I think all we need to do is actively negate those feelings. Just ignore, or you cannot ignore actually. Just get yourself busy with new things. When you do makeup, you do not think about unhappy things. You think about how to make yourself a bit prettier, right? And when you have things to do, you do not think about negative things. When you put on the color, you think about the color, how to make the color just the right balance. When you do these activities, it takes away your thoughts from the negativity. So just move on and start a new day with good spirit, du bon humeur, bonne humeur, bonne humeur, with good sense of spirit. And move on with it, because this is the only thing we can make today more livable, more enjoyable, right? So I hope this one is helping you to feel a little bit better. If it does not, it does help me to feel a little bit. It did so many times, and it is doing so today. Whatever day you have, do not overthink. Do not be too sensitive. Do not be too sensitive with your family, with your children, with your husband, with your wife, with your brothers, sisters. They are fighting their struggle. They have no time to think too much bad or good about you, okay? Everyone is fighting their own struggle. Everyone is fighting their own struggle, and Do not be too sensitive, do not overthink. So I put my lip, and then I realize there is something wrong with the shooting. I do not want to do it again, just keep it short and live today. Do not overthink. Nobody cares about you. Just think like this. You do not need love from other people. You love yourself. You love yourself so much that you do not need love from others. You do not need to rely on love from others, because you yourself produce so much love for yourself. It's already sufficient. And you can radiate this love. And love from others, if it is given, welcome. If there is no, you are sufficient by yourself. I love you, I really do. Do. Why do I love you? Because I love myself enough. And I love myself so much, I have extra to share the remainder with you.